With most school districts in our area back in session, there is a balancing act in teaching and keeping kids healthy and safe. So what about those school buses? We reported on the plans, and now Jessica Clark is on your side showing you how those plans are working in practice.
We're just excited and happy to be back here. I can't tell you, the operators are just like chomping at the bit.
It's been 6 months since school bus drivers actually drove buses with students on board, and this year things are a lot different.
There's our emoji.
St. Johns County Schools Transportation Director Al Pontano says he's noticed during this first week back at school, fewer students are riding the school buses. This one could hold about 75 elementary students, but so far,
I've seen upwards of 40, 45, which is down from.
He says St. Johns County cannot always space out students in every other seat on a bus.
And so no way in this county could we, there's no way I could muster the number of buses and operators that you're talking about to do that. We'd have to almost double the fleet, double the person. It's just no way. So we have to live within the realities of what we're dealing with.
So the district has taken other measures to make sure it's as safe as possible for students and drivers, such as deep sanitizing every 45 days and then daily cleaning of hot spots.
Handrails, seat backs, places where children typically put their hands.
Students also have to wear masks on the school bus. And if a child comes and doesn't have a mask, then there are 100 of these things on every bus.
We've numbered all the seats in the buses similar to an airplane, and then we will assign them to the seats with the intent that if we do have an issue, we can do some degree of contact tracing to say, okay, this child here tested positive, what seats were close, around that child, and who could potentially have had, some close proximity exposures.
Siblings also have to sit together, and single bus stops with many students have been broken into several stops. They are trying to make it as safe as possible to keep children healthy and to keep the wheels on the bus going round and round. In St. Johns County, Jessica Clark, First Coast News, on your side.